Hi there, Dave with Continental Office, and we're coming back at you today with another giveaway. And this one's gonna be a little bit different and a little bit special. So as you may or may not know, we're currently running our 2022 Black Friday sale. That sale is gonna be for 20% off all Steelcase factory authorized returns that you're gonna see here that we're giving away, and then 10% off everything else on our website. And so make sure to go to ContinentalOffice.com and check out that sale. But we're gonna be doing some giveaways here now. So as you can see, we've got 4 chairs here that we're gonna be giving away over the next 4 weeks until Black Friday. And so the first chair we're gonna be giving away here is gonna be the Silq chair, but we also have a Leap chair, a Gesture with a headrest, and a Think chair with a headrest as well. So we're giving away some awesome factory return chairs. These are all made in 2022. So let's take a closer look at the chair we're giving away this week, which is the Steelcase Silq chair. This has the merle and gloss black color scheme to it, as well as the polished aluminum base and arms. It also has the Cogent Connect licorice, which is their black Cogent Connect fabric on it. And so the retail value of this on Steelcase's website is $1,354, so a really high value item here we're giving away. And again, this is a Steelcase authorized factory return chair. So this is a chair that has come back to Steelcase within their 2-week return window and has come to us to resell these chairs. But we're gonna be giving it away in this case. All right, so how to enter into this contest, there's just a few quick and easy, simple rules. Number 1 is you gotta be 18 years or older. Number 2, you gotta be living in the continental United States. And number 3, all you have to do is make sure that you're subscribed to our YouTube channel and then comment below on this video. And that's it. We wanna keep it as simple as possible for everybody to be able to get entered into this contest. All right, so if you've entered into the contest, we will be announcing the winner on Tuesday, November 8th at noon Eastern Standard Time. We're gonna be doing a live video to make the announcement. It's gonna be the same as we've always done, which is a wheel of names. It's gonna spin, it's gonna choose somebody at random. That's how we're going to be selecting the winner. I do wanna mention, we've done a few of these giveaways in the past, and we've had some scammers jump into the comments telling people they've won to click on links. Please don't click on any links. That's not how we're gonna be announcing the winner to this contest. So if you see anything that looks a little fishy, please let us know. We're gonna be trying to stay on top of it and removing and banning those people, but they use our logo, they try to replicate our name, they make it look pretty official, but we wanna make sure that everybody knows that is not how we're gonna be announcing the winner of the contest. It will be only on the live drawing on Tuesday, November 8th. So make sure to tune in then to know if you won the chair. And the winner of the chair is going to get a full 12-year warranty, just as if they purchased the chair from us. And it's also gonna be free shipping in the continental United States. So just like if you purchase from us, this is gonna be a great giveaway for whoever wins the chair. So make sure to tune in on November 8th. All right, so the last couple of things we do want to go over are that number 1, there's no purchase necessary to enter into this contest. So you do not need to be a current or former customer of ours to enter. Just comment below and make sure you're subscribed, and that gets you in. Number 2, this is not sponsored by YouTube in any way. This is a Continental Office Furniture only giveaway. And lastly, we do have all the community guidelines for YouTube in a link in the description below. So make sure to read those if you have any questions at all about any of those. We just want to make sure we're in all regulations and making sure this is above board. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video on this giveaway. We're excited to be giving away this Steelcase Silq chair. I do want to just kind of remind everybody to enter. Just be subscribed, comment below. That gets you entered. And then we're going to be giving away the rest of these chairs that are behind me over the next 4 weeks here. And we're going to be doing those. We're going to be doing the giveaway announcements on Thursdays and the giveaway drawings on Tuesdays. So you have all weekend to enter in, but this is going to be a recurring thing over the next few weeks. So please keep coming back. Please let everybody know that we're going to be giving away all these awesome chairs. And as always, if you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to reach out to us at our website, ContinentalOffice.com, our Facebook page, anywhere else you can reach us. Also, don't forget about our Black Friday sale. We've got 20% off all Steelcase authorized factory returns, 10% off everything else. It's our biggest sale of the year. We're excited for everybody to be getting awesome deals on awesome chairs through the end of the year. Happy holidays. We're excited. Hope you guys are too. We'll see you next time.